Bitcoin money is one of those digital currencies that many individuals have known about, however, don't actually have the foggiest idea what it is. BCH is still frequently seen as only Bitcoin's side grade and just talked about with regards to examining Bitcoin forks. In any case, it has shown a great deal of commitment and is presently one of the 30 greatest digital forms of money on the planet. Similarly, as with some other cryptographic money, it is difficult to say regardless of whether Bitcoin money will be a wise venture. However, its high market cap and strong specialized establishment, to its extraordinary expected ease of use, can assist with keeping its cost above water in the event that the market slumps. Bitcoin Money Survey. Bitcoin Money is a hard fork of Bitcoin. The coin split from the first convention back in 2017 in the midst of rising worries about versatility, slow exchange speed, and high expenses. Moreover, there is a contention in the Bitcoin people group encompassing the genuine reason for the coin, which Satoshi Nakamoto framed similar to a really decentralized distributed computerized installment technique. Numerous members felt like the first Bitcoin didn't address those values any longer. Be that as it may, the Bitcoin money of today isn't the very same coin it was in 2017. BCH itself likewise went through a hard fork. In 2018, it split into Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV. The fork was made in light of the fact that the local area differ on the eventual fate of the digital currency, specifically as to hinder size. At first, BCH had a block size cutoff of 8 megabytes. This permitted the coin to bring down its charges and increment its exchange throughput. From that point forward, its block size has expanded considerably more and is equivalent to 32 megabytes right now. Regardless of the advantages this coin can give, there are many things that stand among BCH in significance. First and foremost, there's the first Bitcoin. Most financial backers actually pick it over the more in fact progressed Bitcoin money, besides the fact that BCH ignored just like a beneficial speculation. Yet it is additionally not being treated remotely close as in a serious way as BTC with regards to regular utilization. Numerous commercial centers still just acknowledge BTC as installment, leaving out all the altcoins. We imagine that absence of use for its planned objects is the second obstruction that hinders BCH cost development, while, in principle, this coin has a magnificent block limit, which prompts high exchange throughput. Truly, just a little level of BCH is effectively being utilized, under 5%. Bitcoin money value history. Bitcoin money has a fairly inquisitive cost history. At the hour of composing this video, in February 2022, the coin is worth nearly as much as in 2017. At send-off, the BCH cost was around $440, while now it's drifting around in the $300-$350 territory. As a matter of fact, what separates BCH from other well-known cryptographic forms of money like the first Bitcoin or Ethereum is the means by which minimal unique its cost had throughout the long term. In spite of the fact that there were some cost spikes, the worth of Bitcoin money basically consistently returned to the $300-$400 territory. Most other digital currencies that get positioned in the main 30 by market cap generally see their typical costs ascend throughout the span of the years, yet not BCH. Bitcoin money value expectations for 2022 by specialists. Cryptographic money costs are famously unstable and hence close to difficult to anticipate. Notwithstanding, it can in any case be helpful to take a gander at various specialists' thought process might happen to the worth of a resource later on. Bitcoin money is presently positioned 27th by market capitalization. It is a notable and deeply grounded coin that has proactively cut out a spot for itself in the cryptographic money market. Thus, there are a great deal of crypto brokers, financial backers, and different specialists watching it and attempting to make a Bitcoin money estimate. Here are a portion of the Bitcoin money cost forecasts we have seen at the hour of composing this video. Specialized examination of this coin has shown the sell signal, demonstrating that specialists are negative on BCH in the short run. This adjusts impeccably with the wide range of various Bitcoin money expectations we have seen. Not even one of them anticipate any development for this coin sooner rather than later. Such consistency across numerous expectations is fairly persuading. In addition, BCH doesn't appear to be inclined to sharp value spikes and crashes. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022 to 2030. As a famous, deeply grounded digital money with a strong specialized establishment and an extraordinary local area backing it, Bitcoin money does, in principle, can possibly go to the moon again soon. In any case, that will rely heavily on how the cryptographic money market acts in the following couple of months and how it answers any possible guidelines. In the event that all works out positively, and the crypto market keeps on following the direction it laid out for itself in 2017 to 2021, then BCH will have development potential and will be a wise venture. Digital forms of money like Bitcoin money, which work with speedy and productive crypto exchanges, additionally stand to acquire a ton on the off chance that computerized monetary standards become the standard in ordinary installments. Here is our provisional Bitcoin money estimate for 2022 to 2030. If it's not too much trouble, note that this isn't speculation counsel, and make sure to do your own exploration prior to trading any cryptographic forms of money. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin money costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Bitcoin money will be $120.73. The most extreme level that the BCH cost can reach is $133.91. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $126.64. BCH value conjecture for November 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Bitcoin money toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical BCH pace of $124.16 in November 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $112.33 and at $127.71 individually. December 2022, Bitcoin money value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the BCH cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $120.73, while the most extreme could reach $133.91 during this month. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Bitcoin money in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Bitcoin money will be around $181.27. The most extreme expected BCH cost might be around $212.85. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $187.60 in 2023. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Bitcoin money in 2024, BCH is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $263.21 and $314.21. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $272.59. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Bitcoin money and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base BCH cost could drop to $381.29, while its most extreme can reach $456.73. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $392.20. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Bitcoin money by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least BCH costs are normal in 2026, $652.04 and $554.13. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $569.82. Bitcoin Money Value